Nebraska is the bullseye for severe weather and tornadoes today. Why the disaster response drives this car into the eye of the storm. And where there is extreme weather, you can bet he and his team will be right there. AccuWeather extreme meteorologist Reed Timmer and his Dominator 3 team are in the area. We're actually caught up with him this afternoon, and as expected, his military-style vehicle was quite the showstopper. It's protected by a military-grade 16-gauge steel lining and is fully equipped with bulletproof windows. Reed tells us even though he puts himself on the front line of almost every major storm and natural disaster that hits the country, it's the life-saving data collected from the Dominator that makes it all the worthwhile.
Dark side that these storms leave behind are what we're trying to prevent, whether through warning in the path of these storms or as our team of first responders are here as well. They're trying to respond after the storm. If these storms do leave damage behind, we'll be there right away to help out when needed. We also have our network of drones as well flying around the storm. They're deploying sensors and providing a bird's eye view as these storms develop. But it does look like a textbook pattern here for the Central and Southern Plains starting today.
The Dominator 3 team is active year-round. They respond and assist communities that have been impacted by tornadoes, hurricanes, flash floods, and wildfires. And now we are going to go back to Bill with more information. Once again, these storms are popping up very quickly.